Hey! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to merge text from multiple cells in Excel in just seconds. Let's go! So here we have a simple table, a first name column, a last name column, and an empty full name column. The first two are already filled in, and our goal is to populate this third one automatically. Click on the first empty cell in the full name column, that's C2. Now type equal, then concatenate, then open, parenthesis, A2, semicolon, a space between quotes, semicolon, B2, close parenthesis, hit enter, and the full name appears. Now click back on C2, and see that little square at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag it all the way down, and just like that, every single row gets the full name filled in automatically. That's it. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. See you in the next one.